Iran says it has yet to receive a letter from President Donald Trump after the U.S. leader said he had sent one seeking talks with the country's leadership about its nuclear program. "We have not received such a letter so far," a spokesman for Iran's embassy said on Friday. The comments come after Trump said he sent a letter to Iran's Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, seeking negotiations over any deal with Tehran to restrain its rapidly advancing nuclear program. Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi dismissed the prospect of nuclear negotiations with the US if Tehran remains under heavy sanctions from Washington. "We will not enter any direct negotiations with the US, so long as they continue their maximum pressure policy and their threats," Araghchi told. Since taking office in January, Trump's administration has levied sanctions against Iran, including on the country's oil network as part of his maximum pressure strategy.